Why smart transfer tutorial? So stop overpaying the cheapest settings nobody shows you. So if you're using Wise for international transfer, the biggest savings don't come from finding secret discount. They come from choosing the right payment. So all we need to do is stop overpaying. Use a bank transfer when possible. Because when funding your transfer, Wise typically offers several payment methods depending on your country. So always check the exchange rate before sending. You can check the exchange rate on Google, or you can just go down. I'll show you where it is. So we're just gonna go down. As you can see right now, we are now here. There you go. You can see there and choose a currency right there. Right there. So yeah, there you go. So and then the next thing is compare payments method before you confirm, guys, and verify your account early on. So once you verify your account early on, it's much more cheaper, it's much more faster. So yeah, and double check the recipient details if ever, and send larger amount less frequently, because Wise fee often includes a fixed component plus a percentage-based component. Sending several small transfers can cost more than sending one large transfer when practical. So yeah. Uh, so yeah, there you go. Anyways, guys, the cheapest way to use Wise is about unlocking hidden settings. It's about making informed choices. Using our cost funding methods, take advantage of the mid-market exchange rate. Reviewing the free breakdown and confirming recipients' details can significantly reduce your total cost while helping your money arrive without unnecessary delay. So there you go, guys. I hope you video good. Question concerns about the question below, guys. I will touch as soon as possible, and there you go, guys. See you guys on the next one, and take you guys.